Hi, I'm Jake, and this is Aaron, and together we are the co-founders of Crypto Homes DXB.com. In this video, we'll show you how to buy, rent and invest in UAE properties with cryptocurrency using our new property portal, Crypto Homes.
And if you're not familiar yet, Crypto Homes is the first platform in the Middle East to fully integrate crypto for buying and renting properties. So without further ado, let's jump in and have a walk through the website.
So first things first, you want to go to cryptohomesdxb.com and then obviously land on our homepage. At the top, you'll see the main navigation menu with options like buy, rent, commercial, holiday homes, new projects, find an agent, get a mortgage, or how it works. The platform also shows you which cryptocurrencies are accepted for transactions with our live conversion rates. Before you buy, rent, or invest, it's important to create an account with us so we can get you verified. Let me show you how. So side note, the KYC is for an approved account. Without that, we can't register you and you can't submit offers.